In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best kitchen knife sets for home cooks and chefs 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best kitchen knife sets for home cooks 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, Ninja K32012 Foodi NeverDull Premium Knife System, 12-piece knife block set with built-in sharpener, German stainless steel kitchen knives. Black Point 12-piece complete knife set includes essential kitchen knives for slicing, chopping, carving, and everyday meal preparation. NeverDull built-in sharpener integrated sharpening system helps maintain razor-sharp edges with every use. German stainless steel blades. Precision-crafted blades provide long-lasting sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. Ergonomic comfort handles designed for secure, comfortable grip to improve control and reduce hand fatigue. Stylish knife block storage. Modern black knife block keeps knives organized, protected, and easily accessible. Built for everyday performance, ideal for cutting meat, vegetables, fruit, bread. Number 2, HOSHANHO 7-piece kitchen knife set, Japanese high-carbon stainless steel chef knife set with magnetic knife block, ultra-sharp blades, and ergonomic packawood handles. 7-piece complete knife set includes essential kitchen knives for chopping, slicing, carving, and everyday food preparation. Japanese high-carbon stainless steel premium blades deliver exceptional sharpness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. Magnetic knife block. Modern magnetic storage keeps knives securely organized while protecting the blade edges. Ultra-sharp precision blades engineered for smooth, accurate cutting of meat, vegetables, fruit, bread, and herbs. Ergonomic packawood handles. Comfortable, balanced handles provide a secure grip and reduce hand fatigue during extended use. Elegant and durable design combines professional performance with a stylish appearance for home and professional kitchens. The HOSHANHO 7-piece kitchen knife set is crafted for home cooks and professional chefs who demand precision and durability. Made from premium Japanese high-carbon stainless steel, the ultra-sharp blades deliver outstanding cutting performance and long-lasting edge retention for effortless slicing, chopping, dicing, and carving. Number 3, Seido Knives Master Chef Knife Set, 8-piece kitchen knife set, high-carbon stainless steel handmade culinary knives, professional chef knives. Kitchen knife. 8-piece professional knife set includes essential knives for chopping, slicing, carving, dicing, and everyday kitchen tasks. High-carbon stainless steel blades, precision crafted for exceptional sharpness, durability, and long-lasting edge retention. Handmade craftsmanship. Expertly crafted knives designed for professional performance and superior cutting precision. Ergonomic balanced handles. Comfortable, non-slip grip provides excellent control and reduces hand fatigue. Versatile kitchen performance, ideal for preparing meat, fish, vegetables, fruit, herbs, and bread with ease. Elegant, gift-worthy design. Stylish appearance makes it a perfect addition to any kitchen or a thoughtful gift for cooking enthusiasts. The Seido Knives Master Chef Knife Set combines premium craftsmanship with professional-level performance for everyday cooking. This 8-piece collection features handmade high-carbon stainless steel blades that deliver exceptional sharpness, strength, and long-lasting durability. Designed for precision cutting, the knives effortlessly handle slicing, chopping, carving, dicing, and other food preparation tasks with confidence. Each knife is carefully balanced and fitted with an ergonomic handle for enhanced comfort and control during extended use. Whether you're preparing simple family meals or gourmet recipes, this versatile knife set provides the precision. Number 4, SHAN ZU 16 pieces knife set, knife block set in powder steel, ultra-sharp kitchen knife set, high-hardness Japanese knife set with ergonomic packawood handle. Chef knife set for kitchen cooking. 16-piece complete knife set includes a full range of essential kitchen knives, steak knives, scissors, and a storage block for versatile food preparation. Premium powder steel blades. High-hardness steel delivers exceptional sharpness, durability, and long-lasting edge retention. Ultra-sharp Japanese-style knives. Precision-engineered blades provide smooth, accurate cutting for meat, vegetables, fruit, bread, and more. Ergonomic packawood handles. Comfortable, Well-balanced handles offer a secure grip and reduce hand fatigue during extended use. Elegant knife block storage keeps knives organized, protected, and easily accessible while enhancing your kitchen countertop. Professional kitchen performance ideal for home cooks and professional chefs seeking precision, durability, and everyday reliability. The SHAN ZU 16-piece knife set is designed to bring professional quality performance and elegance. Number 5. PAUDIN 14-piece kitchen knife set with block, high-carbon German stainless steel chef knife set, ultra-sharp blades. Ergonomic packerwood handles. 14-piece complete knife set includes essential kitchen knives, steak knives, kitchen shears, sharpening steel, and a stylish storage block. High-carbon German stainless steel premium blades offer exceptional sharpness, durability, corrosion resistance, and long-lasting edge retention. Precision cutting performance. Ultra-sharp blades effortlessly slice, chop, dice, carve, and mince a wide variety of ingredients. Ergonomic packerwood handles. Comfortable, well-balanced handles provide a secure grip for improved control and reduced hand fatigue. Elegant wooden knife block keeps knives safely organized, protected, and conveniently within reach on your countertop, ideal for everyday cooking. Perfect for preparing meat, vegetables, fruit, bread, herbs, and other kitchen tasks with professional level precision. The PAUDIN 14-piece kitchen knife set is designed to deliver professional performance, durability, and style for everyday cooking.